In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to bring your spreadsheet data into the right place in ClickUp. Before we start, make sure your Excel file is saved and organized on your computer with clear column headers and consistent formatting. That preparation helps your data appear clean and understandable once it's in ClickUp. Once you're in ClickUp, look to the far left side of the screen for the vertical global navigation bar. At the bottom of that bar, you'll see your avatar. Click your avatar and choose Settings. This opens the area where you manage personal and workspace related preferences, and it's also where ClickUp keeps its import tools. Inside Settings, glance over to the sidebar and select Import Export. This section is designed specifically for moving data in and out of ClickUp, so it's the right place to start bringing in a spreadsheet. If you don't see Import Export, it may be a permissions issue, so check that you're in the correct workspace and that you have access to import tools. Now click Start Import and select Spreadsheet Excel. Choosing this option tells ClickUp that you'll be importing a file from Excel. Having your file named clearly, something like Q3 Tasks XLSX, will make it easier to spot when your system prompts you to pick it. If your Excel file contains multiple tabs, consider which tab has the data you want to bring over and keep the sheet you plan to import front and center in your mind so you select the right content. Next, you'll select the destination. Choose the space where you want the data to go. A space in ClickUp is a top-level area that organizes your teams, projects, or departments. Selecting the correct space is important because it determines where your imported tasks and information will live. If you manage different teams or topics, choose the space that matches the context of your spreadsheet so your data lands in the most relevant place. Make sure you have the necessary permissions in that space and double-check you're not sending sensitive data into a public area if it should remain internal. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened Import Export, started an import for Spreadsheet Excel, and chosen your space. As a final tip, keep your spreadsheet tidy. Use clear headers like task name, due date, and assignee so the information is easy to work with once it appears in ClickUp. With these steps, you can confidently bring your Excel data into the right space and keep your workspace organized.